in this big ass box. Huh? What is up, everybody? It's the next day. As you guys could tell, your boy went and picked up something that he needed. Let's take a look inside. Let me get it out and then I'll show you guys. Oh yeah. Obviously it comes unpainted, so I gotta paint it, but let me take it out of the box real quick, make sure everything's good. No cracks or nothing. Make sure they wasn't tossing my shit around. Give me a couple seconds. As you guys could tell, your boy got a new OEM Nismo V3 bumper from Nissan, man. Damn, this thing is clean. I'm not gonna take it out of the wrap because I don't want it to get damaged when I'm transporting it to my my body / painter. So yeah, as you guys could tell, I got an OEM Nismo V3. I got a new OEM bumper for my 350Z Nismo. I previously sold my other bumper. Just like that, your boy sold his bumper. Stay tuned for the new one coming, man. I fixed it up and I sold it. And I decided, you know, instead of me fixing that one, let me just get a new one. And I got it on Black Friday, straight from Nissan. And it was on sale. I got the emblem. It's upstairs in my room. And I also got the JDM, the like reflectors, instead of having these ones. Let me show you. But yeah, instead of these orange ones that go on the side of the bumper, as you can see right there where that hole is, I got clears. So the clear with the black would look 10 times better. But this is the first step right here, because I'm tired of seeing my car like this without the front bumper. I gotta put the new bumper on ASAP. Just waiting for my body guy to come back on vacation. He comes back on the sometime next week, so yeah. What is up, everybody? It's your boy Nick Stacks, back at it again with another video. Today's the day we're finally bringing the Nismo bumper to get painted. It's gonna be the last time you see it bumperless. Feel me? So yeah, we're gonna be bringing the bumper to get painted. Stay tuned, man. Let me get this in the truck and I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. As you guys can see, your boy got the bumper loaded up. And it's time to go drop her off, man. We're gonna be driving my parents' whip right now, because that shit is not fitting in the Z. Well, I mean it would, but I'd rather just bring it in this. You see them tires? We're here, boys. Get this out the trunk. Time to drop this off, man. Let me grab this bumper and I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. So we're here at the shop. Drop the bumper off. Should be back to pick it up, man.
You guys in the corner, bro. You want it?
If you guys in the Orlando area, or if you're in Kissimmee or anywhere in the area, man, it's one of the best. It's about to do this Mustang too. Make sure y'all check him out. You see what he got. You see them tires. Meaty boys. 2JZ Swap G. And twin turbo DE. What is up, everybody? A couple days has gone by and your boy is gonna go pick up his Nismo bumper from paint. So I'm gonna get back to you guys when I get to the shop, or if anything else happens, I'll probably record it. But I'll catch you guys when I get to the shop. See where we at, man. Oh, this shit is mint. Good. I'm telling y'all, if y'all in the area, you guys see it? Look at my reflection. This thing is mint. Gotta pay to play, man. Quality over quantity, man. You guys see it. Y'all in the Kissimmee, Orlando area, man. Come check my mans out. Package acquired. Nismo, me new Nismo bumper.
I got a feeling that I'm not gonna be here for next year. So let's laugh a little.